Assalamu alaikum students. Illustration number 12. From the following is the receipt and payment account of Chamber of Commerce bid for the year ending 31st March 2018 and some additional information you are required to prepare income and expenditure account and balance sheet for the year ending 31st March 2018. First, receipt and payment account for 31st March 2018. Receipt side to balance brought down, then to subscription amount 72,000 including 8,000 for 2016 and 17. Listen students, our current year is 2017 and 18. 1st April 2017 to 31st March 2018. And 8,000 it's for 2016 and 17, it's for our previous year. To sale of machinery, book value 25,000. To donation to admission fees in bracket revenue. Now payment side, buy insurance, buy printing and stationeries, buy book, buy computers, buy traveling expenses, buy furniture, buy balance carried down, cash at bank. Now come to additional information. Assets and liabilities on 1st April 2017 were as follow. 1st April 2017 means on opening day of the current year, right? Through these balances we can find our capital fund. Number 1, outstanding subscription 10,000, machinery 50,000, building fund 2,10,000, investment 3 lakhs. These are the opening balances and these balances shown on the asset side, okay, and as well as liabilities side. Next, depreciate machinery by 2,500, donation received for building fund. Outstanding subscription for the current year was due rupees 6,000, मीन्स करंट ईयर की हमारी 6,000 रुपीज़ सब्सक्रिप्शन आउटस्टैंडिंग है, ओके। नाउ लिसन स्टूडेंट्स, सब्सक्रिप्शन प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन के जैसा ही दिया हुआ है और सिर्फ हमें कंफ्यूज करने के लिए बताया गया है कि देखो रिसिप्ट साइड सेम लिखा हुआ है इन ब्रैकेट सब्सक्रिप्शन इंक्लूडिंग 8,000 फॉर 2016 एंड 17 एंड इन एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 1 आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन रुपीज़ 8,000। लिसन, जो रिसिप्ट साइड दिया हुआ मीन्स 8,000 रुपीज़ जो है हमें रिसीव्ड हुआ है 2016 एंड 17 का, राइट। 16 और 17 का कितना सब्सक्रिप्शन था, एक्चुअल में 10,000 था जो एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 1 में दिया हुआ है, और 10,000 में से हमें कितना रिसीव्ड हुआ है, 8,000 रुपीज़ रिसीव्ड हुआ है। सो स्टिल हमारा सब्सक्रिप्शन कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग है, ओनली 2,000 रुपीज़। क्लियर। जो हमारा प्रीवियस ईयर का सब्सक्रिप्शन है वो हमारा कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग है, 2,000 रुपीज़, और करंट ईयर का कितना है हमारा 6,000 रुपीज़। तो टोटल सब्सक्रिप्शन हमारा आउटस्टैंडिंग कितना हुआ, 8,000। क्लियर है, ओके। अब इसको हम किस तरह से बाइफिकेट करेंगे ये हम आपको आगे एडजस्टमेंट्स में बताएंगे। एट द एंड ऑफ द क्वेश्चन आई विल शो यू द एडजस्टमेंट, हाउ टू बाइफिकेट द सब्सक्रिप्शन, ओके। और सब्सक्रिप्शन का हम ब्रेकअप किस तरह से करेंगे। नाउ मूव फॉरवर्ड टू द एक्चुअल आंसर। First heading in the book of Chamber of Commerce bid income and expenditure account for the year ending 31st March 2018. First expenditure side, number 1 to insurance, outer column 10,000, to printing and stationery, outer column 4,000, to traveling expenses, outer column 4,000, to loss on sale of machinery, outer column 5,000, to depreciation machinery, outer column 2,500. Now come to income side, by subscription, and these amount shows on receipt side. and there is an adjustment on subscription, so we write in inner column 72,000 less for 2016 and 17 कितना था उसके अंदर इंक्लूडिंग 8,000 रुपीज़ जो रिसिप्ट साइड ही ब्रैकेट में दिया हुआ है. सो 8,000 वी राइट इन इनर कॉलम. सो 72,000 माइनस 8,000 इनर कॉलम 64,000. देन ऐड आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन जो दिया हुआ है. एडिशनल इंफॉर्मेशन एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 4 आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन फॉर द करंट ईयर वॉज ड्यू ₹6,000. करंट ईयर कितना आउटस्टैंडिंग बाकी है 6,000 और प्रीवियस ईयर कितना बाकी था 2,000, राइट. सो 6,000 माइनस 2,000. सो एक्चुअल में करंट ईयर कितना होगा आउटस्टैंडिंग 4,000 रुपीज़. सो वी राइट आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन इनर कॉलम 4,000. सो आउटर कॉलम इज 68,000. नेक्स्ट बाय एडमिशन फीस outer column 6,000. Now our income and expenditure side is over. After completion of income and expenditure we will earn surplus, so we write in expenditure side to surplus, outer column 48,500 and in bracket we write excess of income over expenditure. Okay, now move forward to the balance sheet. Number 1 on liability side capital fund, and how we gain the capital fund through the opening balances. Okay, capital fund inner column amount 1,72,250, add surplus 48,500. So outer column 2,20,750. next building fund inner column 2,10,000 because there is an adjustment, add donation 55,000. So outer column 2,65,000. Come to asset side. Number 1 cash at bank 5,250. Books outer column 30,000. Computer outer column 60,000. Furniture outer column 62,000. Next outstanding subscription 2016-17 inner column 2,000. 2017-18 inner column 4,000. So outer column 6,000. Next machinery, there is an adjustment on machinery inner column 50,000 less sold inner column 25,000. Again inner column 25,000 less depreciation 2,500. So outer column 22,500. and last investment outer column 30,000. Now all the adjustment and all the item has been posted and our balance sheet is complete, and the balance sheet tally amount is 4,85,750, 4,85,750. Clear students? Now I am going to show you the opening balance sheet and the breakup of subscription. सब्सक्रिप्शन का हम ब्रेकअप कैसा करते हैं और 4,000 अमाउंट किस तरह से आया. First, working number 1, calculation of capital fund as on 1st April 2017, balance sheet as on 1st April 2017. First asset side cash at bank 22,250. अब वैल्यू कहाँ से आई तो रिसिप्ट साइड लिखा हुआ है देखो, टू बैलेंस ब्रॉट डाउन 22,250. नेक्स्ट आउटस्टैंडिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन 2016 and 17. This amount shows on the adjustment number 1, amount 10,000. Next machinery 50,000, same amount shows on the adjustment number 1. Then investment 3 lakh, amount shows on the adjustment number 1. Next on liability side building fund 2,10,000, again this amount also shown on the adjustment number 1. Okay, after completion this opening balance sheet we will earn capital fund, and the capital fund amount is 1,72,250. Now adjustment number 2, outstanding subscription. First subscription outstanding on 1st April 2017 was rupees 10,000, right? Next, less subscription received for 16 and 17, 8,000. देखो स्टूडेंट्स, क्वेश्चन में दिया हुआ है सब्सक्रिप्शन रिसीव्ड साइड ऑन रिसिप्ट साइड, सॉरी, including 8,000 for 16 and 17, means out of 72,000 we received 8,000 for the previous year and the previous year actual subscription amount is 10,000, जो हमें एडजस्टमेंट नंबर 1 में दिया हुआ है. Out of 10,000 we received 8,000, so 2,000 is still outstanding, and subscription for the current year, that is 31st March 2018, is given 6,000, which include 2,000 for 16 and 17. That is current year subscription outstanding will be 6,000 minus 2,000, that is 4,000. क्लियर है किस तरह से हमने ब्रेकअप किए? ओके स्टूडेंट्स, सो थ्रू दिस वी ब्रेक द सब्सक्रिप्शन अमाउंट इनटू पार्ट्स. 10,000 is outstanding for the last year. Out of 10,000 we received 8,000, so last year outstanding is 2,000, and these show 6,000 is for current year, so 6,000 minus 2,000, so current year subscription outstanding is 4,000. Okay, so students, inshallah in next lecture we move forward to the next question. Thank you. Assalamu alaikum.